Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to get that song ID on Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, log into Roblox. This should be the landing page you're seeing as well. And if you're using Google Chrome, a tablet, a phone, a laptop, or apps, please stay on the video because it's literally the same process. Again, even though I'm using Microsoft Edge right now, if you want to use Safari, please do so. Just go to this website, roblox.com, log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up using Google Chrome or Facebook. It's fairly easy to do so. That being said, once you're here, just click on create right there, and then from create, just click on marketplace. Once you're in marketplace, you need to click on audio right here. You see models, plugins, audio, fonts, images, meshes, and videos. I want you to click on audios. Now it will load a little bit longer, so I already loaded one earlier. As you can see, it's taking so much time right here. So I already earlier loaded one up. So I've just chosen a random song. Once here, just choose a random song you want. Click this drop down icon, and then you should see more info right there. Now I don't want to take much of your time. Once you click on drop down icon, you'll see more info. Once you click on more info, you'll have this one right here. To get the song ID from here, it's not really displayed on the screen. However, it should display on the URL or link. This one right here. This is the song ID of the specific song. Right after asset and before idle, this 8916893206, that's 2468810 digit number, that is the song ID you're looking for. Okay? So thank you so much for watching, and that's how you get the song ID on Roblox. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.